guys, and welcome back again to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell to keep you updated. So for today's video, I'm gonna show you another winner's haul. I got a lot of makeup products at Winners, and also grabbed some stuff at drugstore makeup, which I find in the internet lots of rave and good reviews with this products. So what do you want to see first? You want to see the drugstore first? I got a few of them, so maybe we'll start with the drugstore products. So first off, I grabbed the e.l.f. putty primer. It's the poreless putty primer. This is how it looks like. I'll swatch it to you guys. There you go. It's nice and smooth, and there's lots of rave with this putty in the internet, so I said I'd better grab it and try it, and yeah, I'm so excited. And another one also is the e.l.f. Mug Sponge Blending Sponge Duo. I think this is for $12. I grabbed this one because my usual go-to is the Real Techniques sponge, this one. I love this sponge. This is my usual go-to, but I said I just want to try the e.l.f. sponge. I don't know if it's nice, so but there's lots of good reviews with this product, so I want to try it, and I'm excited to try it. And another one that I grabbed is the Milani blush in Rose d'Oro. It's a baked powder blush. This is the shade, and it has a mirror and small brush that includes. So I'm gonna swatch to you. This is a nice subtle blush. Sorry. Yeah. So I just want to try something new. So that is how it swatches, and it's nice. I'm excited to use this one too as well. And the last two that I grabbed from the drugstore is this eyeliner. The first one is the Essence eyeliner pen. It says it's waterproof. It's 1 ml, and this is how it looks like. And it has a felt tip applicator. Very nice for doing wing or eyeliner. So I'm excited to try this one. It has good reviews also for a drugstore makeup, and let's try it. And the next one, I think this is also $1 or $2. I better check, but this is very affordable. And the other one is the Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner in Ultra Black. This is how it looks like. It's $1, and it's also a felt tip applicator. So, oops. It's nice, and I can't wait to try this one. The next item that I'm gonna show you is the winner's haul that I get. And because I love the eyelashes from Sephora that I grabbed the previous haul that I got, I found another eyelash. I found another eyelash from Sephora. It's still $4, and it's Celebrity Number 23. It's a natural volume lash. I love the band on this eyelash, so that's why I grabbed another one. So this is the first that I grabbed from the Sephora. No, sorry, from the winner's haul. And the next thing that I want to show you guys, I found this already, the previous haul that I got, but I didn't pick it up, so I didn't sleep. I can't sleep, so I went back again to the store and grabbed this one. It's a Patrick Star MAC bronzer for $16.99, and the original price is $32. So it is a mineralized skin finish, and it's a bronzer, and it's a huge product. Look at that. This is the packaging, and this is how it looks like. It's a huge bronzer. So I'm gonna swatch it, guys, for you. Oops. This one. So this is a very nice buildable powder bronzer. Good. There. It's a nice shade. I like it. So I definitely grab it for $16, and the original price was $32. So it's a good product. And if you don't know, Patrick Star is a Filipino also who made it very big in the beauty industry. So he had a line at MAC, and I'm excited to try this one. The next one that I'm gonna show you guys is from ELF. It's a glow up primer serum for $6.99. This is how it looks like. I thought it's like a pumping thing. I thought it's a spray, but it's a primer, so you have to open it like that, and it comes with this one. So maybe a little of this goes a long way. So this is a primer, face primer, so I'm excited to try this one as well. And it's cheap. ELF products are very nice and affordable and very good quality, and there's lots of rave in the internet beauty space regarding ELF, so can't wait to try this one. The next up is the it's covered maybe CoverGirl. It's a superpower antioxidant booster drops for $16.99. I checked this out. I think it's a skincare product. Oh, Cover FX. This is how it looks like. And it's a 30 ml. It says it's a superpower antioxidant booster drops. So it may be a dropper again. Nice product. Lots of product inside. And I'm gonna try this one as a skincare too. So this is my first time to try the Cover FX. So it says here, nothing much, but I'm definitely gonna try this one. The next one that I'm gonna show you guys, I've been looking for this. It's lip tinted peach pink balm, a Dr. Pow Pow. It got lots of rave of this lip balm. So I saw this at Winners for $4.99. So I grabbed this. This I think is made in Australia. I'm not sure. But this one is a tinted balm, and it says it's a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pow pow. This is for lips, cheeks, and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. And it's fragrance free and cruelty free and vegan free. It has a 25 ml product. So I'm gonna open it up for you guys. It's a tinted lip balm, and I've been using this for quite some time, and I like it. Oops, sorry. So this is the swatch. I don't know, maybe this one. So that's a balm. You spread it there. It's a tinted lip balm, and it's nice, and it rehydrates your lips. And the other one that I grabbed, I found it in the very corner of the Winners rack, is the MAC Lip Scrubtious. I got so intrigued on this product. It's for $9.99. I'm gonna open it up, guys, for you. I think it's just for scrubbing your lips. This is the packaging. It's a lip scrubtious. So this is how it looks like. Nothing really, no smell, all good. And I think you just have to scrub it in your lips to make it smooth. So this is the first time I'm gonna try this one, so I'm so excited too as well. And it's for $9.99, and with the original price is $18, so it's half the price. That's why I love shopping at Winners. And the rest that I'm gonna show you guys are lip products as well. The first one is the Jeweler Long Lip Topper with coconut oil. This is how it looks like. It's $5.99. I'm gonna open it up. And I love the color. It's pink. It's just a lip topper. It says here it's nice if you put it over a lip. And I'm wearing this one right now. And you're gonna wear it with a lipstick. And it's a topper. And it gives you and rehydrates your lips. So this is what I'm wearing right now. Nice color. I love the pink color. And it comes with this kind of tip. So you just have to apply it lightly and allow it to dry. And another also, I grabbed the second one on this shade. It's a Saint Tropez shade. And the other one is Sweet Tooth. This one is the other one. So this is kind of nude one. I don't know. So this is also comes with the same price, $5.99. So this is the first time that I tried this product. So, oops, sorry. So it retails for $12 and I got it for, I mean, the original price is $12 up and I got it only for $5.99. So very affordable. And another one I'm so excited to show you is the NARS NARS Afterglow Lip Balm. This is how it looks like for $9.99, and the usual price is $20 at Sephora, but at Winners it's $9.99. And when I opened it, I just love the packaging, guys. I'm gonna open it for you. Look at that. Sorry, I'm blinding you, but this is the packaging. It is in the shade Orgasm. So this is the shade. I love the shade, guys. I'm gonna swatch it for you so that you'll see. I don't know, maybe there. It's just a lip balm, so a very sheer one. Nice one. So maybe you can use this over top of a lipstick, a NYX Orgasm lipstick, and then top it with this one, a lip balm. Very hydrating, very nice packaging, and of course it's NARS, so great deal. And the next top is the MAC matte lipstick in Russian Red. This is how it look like, and it's retail's supposed to be $18, but I got it for $9.99. And I'm also gonna swatch this for you guys. Comes with this. And this is the shade, very red, Russian Red. I think this is also a bestseller at MAC. So I'm gonna swatch it, guys. And look at that, nice red. I love the color. So I might use this on my tutorial. And I'm so excited. So this is all that I got from the drugstore and Winners haul. And I hope you enjoyed watching, and I'll catch you on my next video. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya!